So this is just leaving Paradise Hotel and heading down towards the entertainment district. There's a few restaurants down here. There's a Macca's and things like that. This is probably the grittier side of town, I suppose. It's fairly well known for. Yeah. Hello. No, when I come back. Okay. That would be the mosque. But yeah, it's overcast at the moment, but it's been absolutely diabolical, some of the weather. Thunderstorms. I think we're expecting it pretty much from now on for the rest of the week, so we'll see how we go. As I said, Macca's, staple of almost every country. Well, every country I've been to anyway. And Indian restaurants, a few shops. A lot of buildings here seem to be, or seem to have been let go or just run down. No longer used, which isn't the best. But yeah, I think there's a heap of things happening in Batam though. Negotiations with places like Singapore and that. This is your normal sort of thing. This is where all the girly bars are and all that sort of stuff, so yeah. But yeah. Probably couldn't really film here at night. As I said, there's a lot of girls out in front of the bars, and fair enough, they don't want to be filmed. But from what I can tell, it's really just this street here is the main one for all the bars. But yeah, as you can see by all the Bintang signs. So yeah, not too bad at all. I'll probably stop in for a beer somewhere along the way. But yeah, this street is just predominantly bars. I think there's a few normal pubs down here. One of the most popular, I believe, is the last pub. But yeah, again, as I said, a lot of these buildings are just closed. The Harmony Hotel which is around here, that's, I mean, central to everything, but again, that's closed, although on booking.com I think they do have some rooms. So there we have the last pub. Hello. Jalan. Hello, boss. A few others, Foreplay nightclub. Again, popular. There are a few local bands and things like that. Hello. And much more of the same. So yeah, as I said, at night time it gets a bit busier. All the bars open up. I think the bars open 3, but they don't really start rocking until 6ish. So yeah, not a bad little area. a few food stalls. Berling Hotel. That's a budget hotel. Decent rooms, but I tell you what, the clientele very noisy at night. Hello. Devil's Bar. Couple of ATMs around here. Electronics store. Predominantly seems to sell musical instruments. So yeah. Not bad at all.